Hi guys, today I will show you how to remove back glass from Realme C35. I have this Realme C35. I must have to open this before I replacing the whole screen. You must have to overheat or a little bit preheat this plastic material. This is all plastic, so be careful because already some dent over here. You must have to do some heat before you remove the back glass. I already preheat this back glass, so I'm using this plastic material and I'm using this blade for removing this back glass. First I have to find this weakest point. This is the weakest point. I already preheat, that's why it's becoming very weak. After that you must have to use this kind of plastic material. There is no any flex inside there. You must have to use gently whole area. Look at this. I already preheat this, that's why it's open very properly. It's broken already. After that you must have to open this all screw using screwdriver. Before that you have to preheat this part also. I already preheated this, that's why it's very easy. Use because underneath there's some screw over here. Be careful because this is very hard to remove. Use this type of material tool. I'm using this tool. You can find in any hardware shop. Be very careful. There is 3 camera and 1 flash over there. So this is the whole process how I remove this plastic glass from Realme C35. This is whole process I'm sharing with you. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe.